If you're tired of cramming clothes into a small bag, then it might be time to switch to a duffel bag. These duffel bags aren't just about holding your gear. They're designed to be durable, versatile, and easy to carry, making your trips, hikes, and weekend getaways a breeze. But with so many duffel bags in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best duffel bags. Whether you're looking for something for the weekend or a long getaway, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the REI CoOp Roadtripper Duffle. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. That is going to be your ultimate travel buddy. First, let's talk about space. With 40 litres of capacity, this duffel has room for everything you need. Clothes? Check. Toiletries? Check. A few snacks and maybe even a board game for those pit stops? Check. And check. It's like having your whole closet on the go, but way cooler. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The Roadtripper Duffle is made from super durable, water-resistant fabric. So, whether you're caught in a sudden downpour or just dealing with the occasional spill, your stuff stays dry and safe. Plus, it's got these heavy-duty zippers that won't give up on you mid-trip. Comfort is key when you're lugging your gear around. This duffel comes with padded shoulder straps that make carrying it a breeze. And if you're more of a handle person, the grips are cushioned too. No more sore shoulders or palms. Organize much. This bag's got you covered with multiple pockets. There's a big main compartment, of course, but also a few smaller pockets for your phone, keys, and other must-haves. Everything has its place, and you'll always know where to find it. This sleek and stylish bag has a cool, modern look that'll make you the envy of every fellow traveler. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or just grandma's house, this bag is your perfect companion. Overall, the REI CoOp Roadtripper Duffel Bag is the ultimate travel companion for adventure seekers. With its spacious 40-litre capacity, this durable and water-resistant duffel keeps your essentials organized and protected, while its sleek design ensures you travel in style. Number 5 is the Peak Design Travel Duffel. This is the best weekender bag on our list at just 35 litres of capacity. But if that's not big enough, there are also more options up to 80 litres. This duffel is just right for weekend getaways, gym sessions, or even as an extra carry-on. You can pack in your clothes, shoes, and essentials without feeling like you're dragging around a suitcase. It's all about keeping it compact and convenient. This bag is tough as nails. Made from ultra-durable, weatherproof fabric, it can handle whatever you throw at it. Rain, snow, or accidental spills, no problem. Your stuff stays dry and protected. Plus, the zippers are heavy-duty, so you won't have to worry about them breaking on you. Carrying it is a breeze, too. This travel duffel comes with comfortable, padded shoulder straps that you can adjust for the perfect fit. If you prefer, you can use the handles, which are also padded for extra comfort. No more sore shoulders or hands after a long trek. Stuff organization. This duffel's got it down. Inside, you'll find a spacious main compartment for your larger items, plus a few smaller pockets for your phone, keys, and other must-haves. Everything stays in its place, so you're not digging around for your stuff. And let's not forget the style factor. This duffel looks sleek and modern, so you'll always look cool carrying it. Whether you're heading to the gym, catching a flight, or going on a weekend adventure, this travel duffel is the perfect sidekick. Overall, the Peak Design Travel Duffel is your go-to bag for any adventure. Compact yet spacious, this duffel is made from durable, weatherproof material with heavy-duty zippers. It ensures your belongings stay safe and dry. Also, it's stylish and functional. The Peak Design Travel Duffel is the perfect blend of practicality and sleek design for all your travel needs. Number 4 is the North Face Base Camp Duffel. With a large capacity of 95 litres, this duffel can hold everything you need for a long weekend or even a week-long adventure. Clothes, shoes, gear, you name it, it fits. Think of it as your portable closet, made with super tough, water-resistant material. This bag can take a beating. Whether you're trekking through rain and snow or just tossing it in the back of your car, your stuff stays dry and safe. The zippers are sturdy too, so you don't have to worry about them breaking on you. Carrying it is a piece of cake. It has padded shoulder straps that you can adjust for the perfect fit, turning it into a backpack when you need it. Prefer handles? No problem, they're cushioned for extra comfort, so you won't end up with sore hands. Organization is a breeze with this duffel. There's a huge main compartment for all your big items and some smaller pockets for your handy items like phone, keys, and other essentials. Everything stays neat and easy to find, and let's not forget the style. This duffel bag has that classic rugged look that screams adventure. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or just crashing at a friend's place, you'll look like a pro traveler. Overall, the North Face Base Camp Duffel is the ultimate gear bag for all your adventures. With its durable, water-resistant material and rugged construction, it can handle any terrain and weather conditions. Its spacious interior provides ample room for all your essentials for a long haul. And if you want to know the latest prices for the duffel bags discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler Folding Duffel Bag. This is the best lightweight duffel bag on our list that comes in 40, 60, and 90 liters of capacity. This bag is all about space. It's roomy enough to fit everything you need, whether you're off on a weekend getaway or a longer trip. Clothes, shoes, gear, you name it, it's got space for it all. And when you're not using it, it folds up super small, so it's easy to store. Made from durable and water-resistant material, this duffel can handle anything you throw at it. Rain or shine, your stuff stays dry and safe. The heavy-duty fabric and sturdy zippers mean it's built to last no matter how rough your travels get. Carrying this bag is a breeze. It comes with tuck-away backpack straps, so you can wear it like a backpack when your hands are full. Or use the comfy handles if that's more your style. Either way, no more sore shoulders or hands after a long day. Organization is key, and this bag has you covered. The U-lid opening makes it easy to pack and unpack, while the quick access end pockets are perfect for those items you need to grab in a hurry, like your phone, keys, or snacks. And the style? This duffel bag has a sleek, modern look that'll make you the envy of other travelers. It's tough, practical, and looks awesome. Overall, the Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler Folding Duffel Bag for travel is a versatile and durable travel companion designed for convenience and resilience. With its spacious design, tuck-away backpack straps, and water-resistant material, this bag is perfect for short getaways and outdoor adventures. Number 2 is the Osprey Transporter Travel Duffel Bag. This is the best bag for hiking and outdoor activities that comes in 40, 65, 95, and 120 liters of capacity. This sleek and stylish bag is about to become your favorite travel buddy in all adventures. With its different size options of space, this duffel can fit everything you need for a long trip. It's like carrying your entire wardrobe with you wherever you go. This bag is built to last. Made from super tough, weather-resistant material, it can handle rain, snow, or even a little rough handling. Your stuff stays dry and safe no matter where you go. The sturdy zippers won't let you down either, so you can pack it full without worrying. Carrying it is a breeze. The Osprey Transporter comes with comfy, padded shoulder straps that you can adjust to wear like a backpack, or if you prefer, use the cushioned handles to carry it like a duffel. Either way, it's super comfortable and easy to haul around. Staying organized is easy with this bag. It has a huge main compartment for all your big items and a few smaller pockets for your essentials like your phone, keys, and wallet. No more digging around to find what you need. And let's not forget style. The black design is sleek and modern, making you look cool and collected no matter where you're headed. Whether you're going on a camping trip, a beach getaway, or just visiting friends, this bag has got you covered. Overall, the Osprey Transporter 65L Travel Duffel Bag is the ultimate travel essential, combining durability, versatility, and ample storage space. With its robust, weather-resistant material and comfortable carrying options, this bag is perfect for any adventure, from weekend getaways to extended trips. Its sleek design and practical features ensure that your belongings are organized and protected, making it a reliable and stylish choice for travelers. Number 1 is the Patagonia Black Hole Duffel. This is the best overall duffel bag on our list. It's like having a reliable sidekick for all your travel escapades. This bag comes in capacities of 40, 55, 70, and 100 liters, and perfect for any trip. Whether it's a week-long adventure or a weekend getaway, you can pack clothes, shoes, gear, pretty much everything you need without cramming it all in. Think of it as your mobile closet. This bag is tough. Made from super durable, water-resistant material, it can handle anything Mother Nature throws at it. Rain, snow, dirt, no problem. Your stuff stays dry and protected, so you don't have to worry. The zippers are heavy duty too, so they won't break even if you stuff the bag to the max. Carrying it is a breeze. This duffel comes with padded shoulder straps that let you wear it like a backpack, giving your arms a break. Or, if you prefer, you can use the comfy handles. Either way, it's easy to carry around no matter how heavy it gets. The organization is super easy with this duffel. There's a huge main compartment for all your big items, plus some smaller pockets for your phone, keys, and other must-haves. Everything has its place, and you'll always know where to find it. And let's talk about style. This duffel looks sleek and rugged. with a cool, modern design. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or just visiting friends, you'll look like a pro traveler. Overall, the Patagonia Black Hole Duffel is a rugged and reliable travel companion, designed to withstand the toughest conditions while offering ample storage space. Made from durable, water-resistant material, this duffel ensures your gear stays protected and organized, whether you're heading on a weekend adventure or an extended trip. Its versatile carrying options and sleek design make it the perfect choice for travelers seeking both functionality and style. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect duffel bag much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.